In a small village surrounded by green fields and narrow dirt roads lived a young man named Rian. He was known for being kind and hardworking. But one cold evening, Rian sat quietly under a banyan tree near the village pond, his eyes filled with worry. That morning, he had lost his job at the nearby town's rice mill. The owner accused him of stealing money, but Rian was innocent. He knew who had done it, but fear had kept him silent. As he sat alone, an old man with a walking stick came by. His name was Guru Thatha, a retired schoolteacher who lived in the village for many years. People often came to him for advice. Seeing Rian's troubled face, Guru Thatha sat beside him and asked, "What's wrong, my boy? Why do you look so worried?" Rian looked down and replied, "Thatha, I was honest. I didn't take the money, but I didn't speak up either. I thought staying quiet would keep me safe. Now I've lost everything. Is being honest really worth it?" Guru Thatha smiled gently and said, "Let me tell you a story from long ago. Then you decide whether honesty is a burden or a strength." Years ago, the old man began, there was a villager named Ramu who ran a small grocery shop near the temple. He didn't have much, but everyone trusted him. He never cheated, never lied. One day, a rich merchant from the next village, Bala Shetty, came to his shop. Shetty was jealous of Ramu's good name, so he planned to trap him. He bought many goods and paid in gold coins, but secretly he placed a fake coin among the real ones. A few days later, Shetty returned and shouted in front of everyone, "Ramu, you gave me a fake coin! You cheated me!" The villagers gathered, shocked. Ramu calmly said, "I don't remember giving you a fake coin, but if I did, it was never on purpose." Then he did something surprising. He returned all the money Shetty had paid. People whispered. Some believed him, some didn't. The village head heard about it and called both men to the panchayat. A goldsmith was brought to check all the coins. To everyone's surprise, only one coin was fake, the same one Shetty had brought. The truth came out. Shetty was trying to ruin Ramu's name. The village head scolded Shetty and praised Ramu in front of all. From that day, Ramu's shop became the most trusted in the area. His honesty brought him more respect than ever before. Guru Thatha finished the story and looked at Rian. "You see, Kana, truth may bend under pressure, but it never breaks. It always finds its way out. You didn't lose because you were honest. You lost because you stayed silent. Speak the truth, even if your voice shakes." Rian felt a new strength inside. The next morning, he wore his cleanest shirt and went back to the mill. The owner looked surprised to see him. Rian stood straight and said, "Sir, I didn't steal the money. I kept quiet out of fear, but I can't stay silent anymore. The real person who took it was..." He pointed to the guilty man. After a proper check, the truth came out. Rian was right. The real thief was caught, and the owner apologized. Rian was offered his job back. But something had changed in Rian. He had found his voice. Years later, Rian opened a small shop in his village, just like Ramu's. People trusted him, and his shop grew bigger. He became known not just for what he sold, but for the truth he lived by. Whenever someone asked him how he became successful, he smiled and said, "Honesty is like planting a seed. It takes time to grow, but one day it becomes a tree that gives shade to everyone."